Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 1170-260-724.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Gavin.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is Goa.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Holi.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is The Big Things.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is the Friend Circle.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Can you speak another language?
Yes, I can speak Bengali and Hindi.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I'll like to take photos.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I like to shop.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Sarah Anti Vostara.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Can you ride a motorcycle?
No, I can. She ride a motorcycle.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
What's your favorite day for the week?
My favorite day is Monday.
Can you ice skate?
No, I can't ice skate.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to go hiking.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is tomato and potato.
Can you play chess?
No, I can't play chess.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite weather is winter.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I like to go fishing.
What's your favorite type of car?
My favorite car is Auto Suzuki.
Can you ride a horse?
No, I can't ride a horse.
What's your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite clothing color is red and white.
Do you like to go camping?
I like to go camping.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
My favorite shoes are sports shoe.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like to watch sports.
What's your favorite type of bag?
My favorite bag is school bag.
Can you do yoga?
Yes, I can do yoga.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to go to the beach.
What's your favorite type of phone?
My favorite phone is iPhone.
Can you juggle?
No, I can't juggle.
What's your favorite type of watch?
My favorite watch is Rolex.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I like to go to the gym.
Can you do magic tricks?
No, I can't do magic tricks.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I like to go to concerts.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride a skateboard.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I like to go to museums.
What's your favorite type of flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Can you do handstands?
No, I can do handstands.
Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I like to go to the zoo.
Can you bake a cake?
Yes, I can bake a cake.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
Do you like to go to the library?
Yes, I like to go to the library.
Can you knit or crochet?
No, I can't knit or crochet.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Taj Mahal.
Can you ride a scooter?
No, I can't ride a scooter.
Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I like to go to the theater.
Can you do a cartwheel?
No, I cannot do a cartwheel.
Do you like to go to the beach in the summer?
Yes, I like to go to the beach in the summer.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I cannot ride a skateboard.
What did you eat for dinner last night?
I ate spaghetti for dinner last night.
When did they start the project?
They started the project 2 weeks ago.
Where did you buy that beautiful dress?
I bought that beautiful dress at the mall.
Who did you invite to the party?
I invited my colleagues to the party.
How did she learn to play the guitar?
She learned to play the guitar by talking lessons.
What did he said during the meeting?
He said he would complete the report by Friday.
Why did they move to a new city?
They moved to a new city for better job opportunities.
When did you visit your grandparents?
I visited my grandparents last month.